Yeah, so today we decided to go ahead and wear turquoise. I know, this girl hasn't worn turquoise for like, what, ages? You haven't seen this turquoise top. Plus, if you still hear those birds outside, just ignore them, okay? They're just having a little argument. They're having a discussion, maybe a YouTube discussion outside, but we got our bling cup right here. Everybody wants to see the bling cup. Got the lipstick queen right here. We went ahead and put oranges. Gotta go pick up some lemon. Gotta have my lemon water first thing in the morning. Also, let's see, we got the Cheerios right here. Almost gone. Yeah, of course this girl's been eating. It's almost gone. And we got a beautiful turquoise necklace on today. Okay. Yes, this girl's not naked on the YouTube. Right there. We got the up the shoulder top right here. Got the turquoise. Kept it really simple with the earrings. I know this girl's always wearing like dangling earrings on her video. But I wanted to go over some of my perfumes because this girl doesn't really have a lot. Okay, I just don't have a lot of perfumes. Also, I'm going to be doing a separate video on my favorite because I just went ahead and got some stuff from Bath & Body Works. So we're going to be doing a separate video on that too. And those are more like their body mist. Okay, if you want to go ahead and see it in a separate video, let me know. If you don't care, just go ahead and let me know down the bottom. But I wanted to go over what's on actually my lips. What's on my lips? Where is my lipstick? Who took my lipstick? Well, let's go over the foundation first. The foundation is Tarte right here, Tarte. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to be linking everything down the bottom because it's so time consuming, and I'm just going to be giving probably the name. This one is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. That's what's on my face because everybody's going to ask, what's on your face? What's your face? So I always go over my foundation, what I have on my eyes, and what I actually have on my lips. What's on my eyes? A split between these two. These are the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Palettes right here. You can probably find them. This one's, yeah, I thought this one was upside down. Oh, there we go. So split between these two because I want to use a little bit of these green colors right here to match the turquoise because this girl's going to go out. I got to go run some errands, okay? Comes with a little sleeve on the inside. Everybody knows that because this makeup palette has been around for a while. So we went ahead and grabbed some of these colors right here. There we go, in the corners. And then what I wanted to do was take some of the shimmers from here down at the bottom, because I don't care whether there's a mirror and stuff in the inside. Took the shimmers right here, these two right here, and put that in the center of my eye. Like I could use a little bit more shimmer. Let's grab a brush. Go into this color right here. I'm gonna be looking at my makeup mirror so then I don't get it like all over my face. Let's add a little bit more shimmer. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Here we go, onto her eyes. Ooh, yeah. Okay, gotta look fabulous. Gotta run the errands after this. Okay, here we go. I didn't want to touch up my makeup. Does anybody, if you're a content creator, if you're a content creator out there, let me know if you go ahead and touch up your makeup in between your videos. We got the NYX lip liner on the eyes, on the lips. Also, I've been just hooked on this jumbo eye pencil. I gotta get a sharpener for this because it doesn't twist up. That's the only thing I don't like about it. I gotta go find a big fat sharpener for this. So I have that in my waterline, adding a little bit of color. I know this girl's like stepping out of her comfort zone. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit because I still feel like I'm a little wonky and I don't want to have to re-edit this video out. And as far as the lips, not NYX, Tarte. This one is actually chopped down. There we go. Love the color. I'm just gonna swatch it really fast. Ooh, love it. Okay, and then what I went ahead and did was, because that one's almost like a cream satin finish, I went back into this eyeshadow palette right here, if I can open it with my fingernails, and went into this shimmer color right here and put that right in the center of my lips. So this girl had her own shimmer color. So let's take off this lipstick, because I know whenever I'm doing lipstick tutorials, everybody's getting so nervous because they're saying, girl, you're going to get lipstick all over your clothing. So we go ahead and take that off. And we're going to jump right into some of our scents. Now, I do not do separate reviews on Scentbird because there's so many Scentbird reviews. So I just go ahead and use these to go ahead and travel with, but I'll share with you some of the scents that I actually got in, and I'll tell you like, or whether I like them or not. Okay, so I like these because they're the perfect size to go ahead and travel right here. This one was in Full Bloom from Kate Spade. Love this one. In fact, I'm gonna squirt a little bit. Yeah, that one smells good. So for those of you who are looking on the Scentbird site, this one is called In Full Bloom from Kate Spade. You need to go ahead and get those. The next one is actually in Amethyst. This one smells good. This is a good recommendation. So I would say out of the last maybe 3 months that I've actually gotten Scentbird. There's probably only 2 that I end up liking. Now, the one that I always have been using for years. Okay, the one that I've been using for years is AVON's. I went ahead and kept one of the boxes right here. I should probably open up the plastic and show you what the box actually looks like. This is actually from AVON. It's called Today. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, but today. So this is what I call my holy grail perfume right here. This is what the box actually looks like from Today, from AVON's. And when you go ahead and open it, this is what the bottle actually looks like. There we go. If you love a great floral scent, you actually love this one. It's actually a split between maybe a jasmine with a little bit of maybe gardenia and coconut mixed all inside. So if you're looking for something like that, you're gonna end up loving that one right there. Also, I think you've seen me talk about this before. This is from Malei Organics. This is their body glosses. There we go. And it actually comes in a solid form. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. That's what it kind of looks like on the inside. And what I'll normally do is, like, if I'm just kind of hanging around at home, or maybe I'm gonna go to the beach and I don't want to use this perfume, because normally the regular price would probably be like $30, but when it comes on sale at AVON's, I'll probably buy like 2 for $30. So when it comes on sale, I'll probably pick up like 4 bottles. But from this Malei Organics, I'll probably take a Q-tip, run that in the Q-tip, because we want to keep it sanitized, or your spatula, put that onto my wrist right here, and then just rub my wrist together. And if I want, I can take a little bit more and put that a little bit behind my ears. There we go. This is a smaller container. I can always take it out, and I have the little small transparent containers that you can probably buy from Amazon, and put that into a small container and take that on vacation if I know I'm going to be hanging around at the pool. So the first one is actually mango nectar. There we go. I'm going to be leaving the Malei website down the bottom, because they have a whole bunch of other stuff. If you're not familiar on the website, I'm just going to be leaving their link down in the description bar. The next one that I have is Plumeria. Gotta love it, Plumeria. And the next one is Pikake, which is fabulous. Gotta love it. I would say out of the 4 scents that I have here, I would say Pikake and Mango and maybe Plumeria out of the 4 would be my top. And then I actually love Coquet. There we go. That one is fabulous. And of course, I'm gonna do a separate video on my sprays, my body mist sprays. But this one is actually almost gone. This is probably gonna go in my empties, even though I don't do an empty video. When I find a scent that I actually love during spring and summer, I'll actually end up picking up like 4 or 5 bottles. So even like during the winter or fall months, you'll see me still talking about these. Why? Because I'm not much into those fall, winter scents and stuff. I kind of like my tropical scents right here. So this one is actually in Plumeria. Got 2. This one's almost gone right here. So we got another bottle right there. Also, I went ahead and picked up these 2. And when I love a scent, I'll go ahead and pick up more than one. So this one is called Waikiki Beach Coconut. There we go. In fact, I'm going to spray that one on my other hand. Ooh, it smells like you're on the beach in the Waikiki. Okay, this one has a coconut scent, fine fragrance mist. This is from Bath & Body Works. Gotta love it. So you should go ahead and pick up that one. And the other one I want to spray on this hand right here. Oh my goodness. And this one is actually in Oahu Coconut Sunset. Yeah, fabulous. Okay, went ahead and picked up 3 of these. So I'm going to be doing a separate haul on the body mist that actually came in, so it'll probably be like a really short video. And I think that's about it. So this girl needs to go ahead and run some errands, stay hydrated, okay? I'm gonna try and edit this video down because this girl likes to go ahead and talk, and I'm gonna be choosing sunglasses. So go ahead and let me know whether I should wear the blue heart one right there, okay? Blue heart with the turquoise, or probably maybe this one right here. I think maybe this one kind of matches with the turquoise, because this girl might be doing another car vlog. Whenever I get a chance to go out, this girl's gonna go ahead and take advantage of filming by doing a car vlog. So we got that. Okay, so this girl's got to go ahead and run errands. I just wanted to go ahead and answer a couple of my subscriber questions, because I normally don't go ahead and talk about perfume unless maybe I'm doing it like in a quarterly favorites. So I wanted to go ahead and address it in this video. So I hope that everyone is having a great and productive day. My name is Ranalynn Naipo. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell because that's what's going to keep you abreast of all of the videos that I upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ranalynn Naipo. Aloha. Bye-bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.